Birdie right here, bitch. Call him 6'9", can't wait till I catch niggas. I'ma hit him like 6 times, smoking good cookie. I be on cloud 9, I'm ballin' in this bitch, but I can't waste time. AC a tipper, watch he gon' baseline. Birdie a shooter, he gon' hit you with that baseline. We got lethal weapons, I am never lacking. Can't wait till I catch niggas, make them disappear like magic. Fuck around and pop a goofy ass nigga up in traffic when you approach me. Better not say nothing, bitch, cause I don't play for nothing. 7.62s, then that K get the drum and I'm clutch from the 3, like my name was Shumpert. The way these phones slapping would've thought I was a dumper. Turn trap into a habit, I'm a road runner, yeah. Baby, I'm a road runner. Better roll one. If you want me, baby, gotta show some. Talking all that shit and you don't know none. Blow one. Well, baby, you gon' blow some. Little bro in the back. Yeah, we on one. Yeah, look, we on some. Smoking all these dead ops like I'm on one. Yeah, I'm tryna blow some. Little baby looking good. I'm tryna poke some. Yeah, I'm tryna poke some. Yo, main bitch on dick down. I think she on some. Call me Lil Yachty, yeah, she love how I flow some. This is all freestyle, you know I ain't wrote none. I been dumping extras, time to get it in. Me and Nate going crazy. This is about the twins, might as well call me Drake, 'cause I don't need no new friends. On my way to the top, I can never flop. They still got that 4-5, knock you out your socks. You a bitch, nigga. You can say that shit. You a snitch, nigga. 6'9" and shit, little nigga. You gon' die, my nigga.